Hello Mapheads to tutorial number 5 of Know Your Maplytics. Previously, we learned how to create efficient routes using multiple parameters. What if we could make them even more productive? In this tutorial, let us learn how to increase the efficiency of a route on the go. If you find yourself finishing a trip early, use the Along the Route feature. Select the checkbox in the directions card and instantly see the nearby records within the entered travel distance. If you spot an interesting prospect or want to visit any high-valued account, you can easily add that record to your route and click on Go to seamlessly update it. Imagine you get a call from your manager while on the road to visit a specific client. Don't worry, Maplytics has your back with the Add Waypoints feature. Select Add Waypoints, choose an entity, and a comprehensive list of all relevant records will appear. Search for the required client record and add it directly to your route in seconds. This feature is perfect for handling last-minute changes while keeping your schedule on track. You can also share your optimized route with ease. The Build and Send Mail option helps to share route details with colleagues directly from the map. Utilize a predefined email template with customizable grid details to efficiently communicate your planned trip. You can print your optimized route for easy access in areas with limited network. Maplytics ensures you can stay on track even with low connectivity. Thus, we have optimized planned routes further for increased field productivity. You have just learned some cool features of routing. Go and try them out. Write to us at crm@enagic.com in case of any queries. Also, check out our website, social channels, and technical docs for other details, and keep watching this space for more.